Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Zoho Invoice app. First, let's get you started. Signing up for Zoho Invoice is completely free and straightforward. Simply visit the website, enter your company name, email address, and create a secure password. Once registered, you will set up your organization by providing essential business details like your address and uploading your company logo. Don't forget to configure your base currency, time zone, and language preferences to personalize your experience. Now, let's dive into creating and sending your first invoice. Zoho Invoice makes this process incredibly easy. You can quickly create a new invoice by selecting a customer and adding the services or products you've provided, along with their respective rates. The app offers customizable templates, allowing you to incorporate your brand's logo, colors, and fonts for a polished appearance. Once ready, you have multiple options to send your invoice, including email, SMS, or even a direct PDF download. Effective client and payment management is crucial for any business. Zoho Invoice allows you to easily add and organize all your client information, including their contact details and any specific tax preferences. You can effortlessly track the status of each invoice, record full or partial payments as they come in, and maintain a clear overview of your receivables. A fantastic feature is the ability to set up automated payment reminders, which helps ensure you get paid on time without awkward follow-ups. Finally, let's explore the powerful reporting and customization features. Zoho Invoice provides access to more than 30 detailed reports, offering valuable insights into your sales, expenses, and overall financial health. You can customize these reports by setting specific date ranges or filtering by transaction status to get the exact data you need. Beyond reports, you have extensive control over your invoice templates, allowing you to tweak fonts, colors, and layouts to perfectly match your unique brand identity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.